What is up, YouTube? Back for another video on the 24 Bronco. Today we're going to be installing some new Ford Performance mirror mounted ditch lights. All right, so I used my Ford Pass points from buying this beast, and only want to pay like, I don't know, $150 for them. So after the points, so let's do a quick unboxing here. This is how they come. Here is the part number for anyone interested. So this is the whole package right here. So we have light number 1, light number 2. Set those aside. Go in here. We got our 2 Ford Performance covers. 2 brackets with the mounting hardware. The wires, the heat shrink, and the connectors from good old Motorcraft, and a card to let you know that installations are online.
I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are.
All right, so now that we got the lights mounted, we're just gonna start stripping up this wire, get these butt connectors put on, and we're gonna build our harness that we need to start running all the wire. All right, guys, so we are all done. We have our ground right there. I use the yellow wire because I wanted to use auxiliary switch number 1. You can see where we ran this through right here, and no mess. Everything looks good. You can see mounted nice and straight, nice and even. Moment of truth. And they're on. Hell yeah, brother. All right, so they're on. Looks like they're all working good. We'll get the Ford Performance covers put on, and we're all done. Hopefully this helps anyone out who is interested in this product or how to install it. And drop your comments below, and thanks for watching.